Originally built in 1958, H.M. McKemy Intermediate School opened with 21 general classrooms, 5 special classrooms, a library, and a cafeteria. The gym and additional classroom buildings were added in 1978 and 1994. The original school concept supported a traditional intermediate school environment.
Welcome to McKemy Academy. We are excited to share a new campus with you. Today, McKemy is proud to be an International Baccalaureate World School, consistently ranking as one of the strongest middle years IB programs in the state. The International Baccalaureate focus aims to develop inquiring, knowledgeable, and caring global citizens. McKemy Academy has been remodeled to support the International Baccalaureate instruction model, placing an emphasis on collaborative classroom environments, sustainability, and learning spaces which empower students to be part of the change they wish to see in the world.
The rebuild has included a new main office building, 19 general classrooms, 5 special classrooms, learning commons, a cafeteria, a gymnasium, and the revival of Tiger Mall. Let's take a closer look.
The main office has been relocated to the north end of the campus for a safer, more accessible drop-off area. The office building is centrally located to provide students and staff access to our entire school campus and is located near our new, larger parking lot. The main office houses our administrative offices and the school nurse. This space has a welcoming and inviting feel with a large glass entry allowing for natural daylight. The LED lighting also allows our staff to adjust the lighting to their needs and helps the school save money on energy costs. Student collaboration is key to our classroom redesign. The classrooms have been remodeled to incorporate collaboration spaces between the rooms. Each pod of 4 rooms has an interior space to be shared for group work, leading to a direct connection to an outside courtyard. Glass garage-style doors open our classroom spaces to fresh air and a blended learning environment, which is supportive of group and individual work. The classrooms are also fitted with new touchscreen TVs, a painted accent wall to add a pop of color, and larger windows for natural daylight.
We're excited to show you our new state-of-the-art cafeteria.
The new cafeteria space is a combination of our cafeteria and auditorium with a stage, state-of-the-art lighting and audio systems, a modern food service area, and a ton of flexible seating options for students. The stage has been designed to be larger than the one on the original campus so that students can use the space for a variety of activities, including our amazing theater productions. The sectional doors to the exterior allow for an inside-outside connection for both dining and event space. We also have a ton of colorful graphics focused on community, culture, and food. The gym has been given a total makeover. The front entry to the gym was renovated to add a new storefront system to allow for natural daylight. The former locker rooms have been repurposed to introduce a new makerspace, art room, and a student store. The makerspace and art room have open ceilings, lots of natural daylight with new windows, accent paint and graphics to inspire us, and new colorful furniture. The gym has also received upgrades to the HVAC and lighting systems to bring them up to current code and energy standards and make them more efficient.
Conveniently located in the heart of the school campus, the Learning Commons offers a variety of options for individual study and research or group collaboration. The library has lots of windows allowing for natural daylight, making it an ideal location for reading and classwork. The Learning Commons has a sloped green metal roof that is visually stunning and functions as part of our new rainwater collection system. The rainwater flows off the roof into a basin located at the main walkway. The water runs from the basin along the Arroyo Garden to our student garden at the west end of the Tiger Mall to promote local sustainability.
One of the highlights of the McKemy campus is the revival of Tiger Mall. Central to the redesign, Tiger Mall is the main connector to the existing buildings and the new buildings on our campus. It is a gathering space with seating, lots of trees, and artificial turf. This area will be a community and student gathering area for future school and community events. Concord and DLR Group worked with the McKemy students throughout construction. Whether on Google Classroom or in person, they introduced us to construction with lessons like architectural design, sustainability in construction, and marketing. The student favorite lessons include periodic school tours, helping us see the vision and progress of our new school. have a look at some of the fun images from our tours and online class time. Our beautiful new school would not have been rebuilt without Tempe Elementary School District voters who authorized the 2016 bond. Thank you for your support of our school community. We can't wait to see all the ways that students will learn and grow at McKemy Academy into the future. We hope that you enjoyed this sneak peek inside our amazing school. And remember, once a tiger, always a tiger.